Hi, Jeremy Peterson here with Vesta Real Estate in Ogden, Utah. It is June 2020 and it is time again for another market update. First, before I begin, let me tell you that the numbers I'm going to share with you are year over year, meaning we're comparing May 2020 to May 2019. So let me just hit you right up with the headline numbers. In May, we saw prices increase 10.2% and sales decrease 18%. Now your brain is probably freezing, wondering, how is it possible to have decreasing sales and increasing prices? Well, to learn how that's happening, we're going to have to dig into the charts a little bit. And so let's get started. First, let's look at our price chart. I am actually bored with this chart because it just shows year over year increases in house prices. Since 2012, homeowners have seen values increase by double digits year after year. Now, why is that happening? Well, a lot of that has to do with interest rates, and interest rates are still, again, at record low levels, lower than they've been in decades. The second factor is that Utah is a uniquely awesome place to live. We've got a great quality of life here. We know how to create jobs. Our government manages its budget wisely for the most part. And we tend to treat people with a common sense of humanity here, which makes it a great place to live. America is finally starting to get that Utah is a great place. And so people want to be here, and that's driving up demand for housing. So if prices are shooting to the moon, how can it be that sales prices are falling? Well, first off, inventory, or homes that are available for sale, is down in a big way. As of today, we are 36% below what we were a year ago at this time. That is just a huge shortage of homes available to look at and for sale. The second part is that we experienced a shake in confidence during the COVID panic. And so during the month of April, which our state was entirely under lockdown, that played into some buyers' decision making, and I'm sure that impacted home sales as well. So now that we've answered the question of why you can have increasing prices and decreasing sales, the next question is about affordability. What is happening to housing affordability in Weber County? And so if we look at our next chart, we'll see what's happening there. Here you can see that unaffordability peaked in late 2018. And since then, it's kind of gone down and things have become more affordable, and we've moved a little bit sideways. So we're not sure how that's going to play out over the rest of the year. We've got interest rates playing into that. As they've dropped, that's made things more affordable, and yet house prices are increasing. So it's a tug of war that's happening, and so far things are moving sideways. So we'll watch that and have a whole separate discussion on that later in the year, see how things play out. So the bottom line, if you're a seller, it is an awesome time to sell your home, hands down. If you're a buyer, you're going to need to be on your A game and have an awesome agent like myself escort you through the market and get you the best bargain that you can that's possible. Other than that, if you have real estate needs, give me a call. I'm Jeremy Peterson, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks for tuning in.